Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Kraken chests in King Legacy. First, let's understand what these chests are. Kraken chests are special containers holding valuable in-game items, often including powerful fruits, weapons, or accessories. They are a fantastic way to boost your character's strength and progress. Knowing how to acquire and effectively open them is key to maximizing your gains in the game. We'll cover everything you need to know. To get your hands on a Kraken chest, your primary method is to defeat the mighty Kraken boss. This colossal sea creature appears in designated ocean zones, often requiring a powerful crew to take down. Prepare for an intense battle, as the Kraken is a formidable opponent. Once defeated, there's a high chance it will drop a valuable Kraken chest for you to claim. Teamwork is essential for this challenging encounter. Once you have a Kraken chest, opening it is straightforward. You don't need any special keys or tools. Simply locate the designated NPC in the game world who handles chest openings. Interact with this NPC, and they will promptly open your Kraken chest, revealing its contents. The rewards will then be automatically added to your inventory, ready for you to use or trade. It's a quick and easy process. Kraken chests offer a wide array of fantastic rewards. You might discover rare devil fruits, which can grant incredible abilities, or powerful new weapons and accessories to enhance your combat prowess. Sometimes, you'll even find significant amounts of belly or other valuable crafting materials. To maximize your progress, make defeating the Kraken a regular activity. The more chests you open, the better your chances of getting top-tier loot.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.